See it. This water is blue in color. This one is blue. Blue, when I say blue, blue in color. I don't know if this camera is, I don't know whether this camera is showing it as blue in color, but this water is, guys, this water is blue. When I say blue, it's blue. Okay. Okay, guys, let me show you another one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. It's a beautiful and a bright new day. The sun is shining. You can see we are not wearing, now we can wear short sleeves. So I'm on my short sleeves, although I have my jacket in case, because you cannot tell. So I'm out for a walk and I want to take you guys along. And so guys, come along with me. Let's go. We're going to come out from that place. Francesco, come out from that place. Hey guys, here is blue water. They have different types. I will call this one river or what? This one is green one. Okay, the other one is blue. And we have another one. And this one is green one. This one is green water. You can see the green, the color. I don't know whether this camera is showing it, but this water is green in color. The other one is lemon in color, but this one is green. We have visit green, blue, lemon. Okay, light green. Anki peshi. Oh, it's true. On this blue water, this water is blue. I have told you. That thing over there is bee, and where they collect honey, the bees will come there and release their honey now. So this is where they do it. Okay, honey house. We are still going up to the mountain. One is already tired. I don't know what they are doing. Well, let's go and take a little look. I will go to the ghost house. So let's go and take a look. This house. Okay guys, let's be going up. Oh yeah. As I'm going up, this thing is drawing me down. Look where Binola self. Which house is this? Nobody's sleeping there. Oh. Okay guys, let's be going. Let's be going. Which house? So let's be going. Let's be going, guys. Let's be going. We will hold our breath. Oh my God, I can see. Oh my God. My God, nobody's living there. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Okay guys, we are up to this. Oh God, you can see the place is so beautiful. Just look at this. Up from this mountain here, let's just take a look. You can see That one is Campo Cacho. They see, you can see that green one, blue that I showed you before. Blue water, green water, blue water, orangey water, and it's orange, lemon water. There are 4 different types of water there, or rake, whatever they call it. You can see it. Okay, guys. Go. This house, nobody's living in it. Maybe this one is old house. I don't know. Just go. Also, Sukraima Kaisawa. Maybe this one is their old. They call it. Oh, guys, what are that? I just go home. I had that blue feeling. Jesus Christ. Francesco, sta attento. Attento, guarda. Diceva da funala. Ci sto! Non mi nato noco. Francesco, don't go here. Come out. Okay, guys, people, let's go. If we have Mom, this house, this old house, nobody's living here. Kaira, one more. Get down. Let's go down. Meno 10. Okay, guys, we are going down. Okay, let's go from where cosa?
Da qui corro.
Tu vuoi corro? Non io. Vai, corri. 1, 2, 3. Scendi. Vai, ma da qua nada. Okay, guys. This is my shadow. See my shadow. Si legge. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this our walk.